welcome back to the day 3 of Learn Python from Basics to Advanced, and previously I have explained about the Python syntax, comments and variables. I am uploading all the videos in this playlist. If you are new to the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Now let us get started on it. Today our topic is data type. So what are data types? In every programming language, there is a concept of data types. Data types are nothing but a variable storing different types of values which we can use for performing different operations. For example, when we have two integers or floats, we can perform addition of those numbers or subtraction of those numbers. If we have strings, then we can concatenate those strings. Now we will look at the string data type. In Python, we do not have char data type. We do not have char data type in Python. Now moving on, let me showcase all of them over here. If I am storing a is equals to, let's say, DevArfat. Now it has the data type of string. If you see over here, it has data type of string. Similarly, if I try b is equals to and try storing b is equals to a, which is character if you are coming from C or Java, you can see then we have b stored as string as well. So if we print type of a, then it gives class string, so its data type is string. Similarly, if I do type of b, then it gives me class string. Even though we are trying to store it as character, it takes the data type as string. Now moving on, we can also do something like a plus b, and it will give DevArfat over here, then this is being added to it. So this is known as concatenation of strings. Okay, moving on, we have numeric data types. In numeric data types, we have got integer first. Integers is nothing but whole numbers. So 1 is an integer. Okay, type of 1, if I type type of 1, then it is shows as integer. Similarly, if I type type of -1, it shows as integer. Now we can do multiple operations on integer data types, almost all arithmetic operations. For example, 1 plus 10, then we can say it gives as integer. And if I do 10 plus 1, it gives the output as 11. So these are integers. Next comes floating points. Okay, floats. So what do we have as float? So any number which has decimal points is known as floats. The fractions, you can say, if you print type of 10.0 or 1.0, then it will be shown as float because we have added decimal point over here. Similarly, we can do addition and subtraction and any arithmetic operations between float and integers. So 1 plus 2.5, then it will give me 3.5. But the resultant output is converted to the float. Okay, if we do similar thing, then type of, then we can see its float data type. Okay, now we have complex numbers as well. So complex numbers are nothing but where you have a part which is imaginary, right? If you have studied in high school, then you can see that those are 10i, something like those numbers, right? So in Python, we use j for defining complex numbers. If I do a is equals to j and print type of a, then it will be shown as complex number. There is another way we can define complex numbers. If I try to do 10 plus 5j type of, then it shows as complex. And complex, we can initialize complex number using 10 comma 5. If I do a, then it will be 10 plus 5j. Okay, next data types, category of data types, we have sequence data types. Sequence data types, we have got list, tuple and range. So what is list? If you are coming from other programming languages, you can think it of as an array. Okay, since Python is dynamically typed programming language, we can have different data elements in this list. For example, if I do list and then I can add one string, integer, string. We can also have nested list inside it or any other data type of your choice. Okay, 1.5, anything we can have, and it's still valid. If I try to print the type of list, then it's going to be list. Now moving on, we have also got tuple. Tuple is similar to list. Okay, we will tuple, and then if we do 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, then it's valid. We can also do add strings, any data type. It's similar to list. All right, now what's the main difference between them? Lists are mutable, whereas tuples are immutable, means can be modified, cannot be modified, can be modified. Now next data type we have got is range. Okay, range is some sort of special kind in Python. Okay, we can define range and it gives us range from 0 to 10. So if we convert it to see what values this range holds, we can convert this using list. Okay, range of 10, then it will show as list of 0 1 2 3 4 and 9 as last element, because this 10 is exclusive. Okay, another good way to print the elements of range would be to iterate over them using for loop. We will see those in upcoming videos. Now we have got mapping data type, which includes dictionary. If I do mydict is equals to and then define name DevArfat age 30. Now this is type of dictionary. If you print type of mydict, then it will be displayed as data type dictionary. Now what is the use of this data type? We can access the values of the key pairs using keys. Okay, suppose mydict and I want to access the value of name, then we can access DevArfat. We got the value DevArfat. Similarly, if I do mydict and age, then it gives 30, which is the value of the key 30. You can think of this data type as a dictionary you have at home or anything, which has the name and then definition of it. Similarly, we have key and value over here. Now next we have got set data types. Set. The point which makes the set data types unique is that sets does not contain duplicates. If I try over here 1 comma 2 comma 3 and I repeat 3 4 4 1 like that, now the resultant set will be 1 2 3 4. Even though I gave 1 2 times 3 2 times 4 2 times, but what it did was removed all the duplicates elements and gave me out as unique elements. Okay, so does not contain duplicates, only contains, or you can say it only contains unique elements. Now next we have got Boolean data types. This bool data type is nothing but true, false. So Boolean data types consist only two values, true and false. It can be used in conditional statements to make decisions. In Python, true is represented as 1. If I try to convert int of true, then it will give me as 1. Similarly, if I try to convert int of false, then it will give me a 0. Next we have got none data type. None. If I try type of none, then it prints none type. Okay, so what is none type? It's neither true nor false. In other programming language it can be represented as null. If I try to check true or false is equals to none, then it will give me false. Okay, so it's not false, it's not null equals to null. Similarly, if I try to do true, it will return false. We will see conditional statements in upcoming videos. For now, to demonstrate, I have used this. In simpler terms, null type is nothing but holding null value. With this, we have covered data types in Python. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye.